there's a part where you can wrap food, but then it's called liquid HTML. That's it. There's not so much flexibility you can have. So that's all we have to get started. So then we have the pros and cons of Shopify. I mean,
Um,
it's like middle balance.
so 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 okay. So
So I'm hearing an echo.
sorry to obstruct you, Mr. Daniel. So please, can you please come back again, like restart again, because I just started recording. So yeah.
No problem. I'll do that. So let's just go back. So, hi everyone. Welcome to building e-commerce with Shopify. And I started by saying that what is Shopify? And I defined Shopify as Shopify is an e-commerce platform that you can use to build your store both online and offline. I mean, bloggers use WordPress, right? The store owners use Shopify to create. It gives you an opportunity to create your store online, and people can make orders. I mean, me personally, I don't like to step out of my house because I can order anything online and get it back. I mean, that's like the best way for me. So it allows you to sell both online with, with your own website, in person with Shopify stores. It's an e-commerce website builder and has features for everyone from business for business to anything. And if you're an expert, you can Shopify. But Shopify is not paid. It's paid, so you have to like pay for it to your card. So, but there's a 14-day free trial without like and you just go to test it out for yourself. So in each trial, you can test it out. And if you notice it's out enough on your first day, you can start paying for it. So on to the next, I said how to get started. You basically just sign up on Shopify platform. You create your store. Um, my voice is echoing. Okay. I don't know I'm sorry. Is it any better now? Or is it good? I'm sorry. I hope it's better now because I don't know echoing. But as I was saying, you sign up on Shopify platform, create an account, and create your store. Basically, that's how to sign. That's how to create an account. But when you're going to create your store, you have to pay for it. Okay, you have to pay for it. So until the next, we have the pros and cons of using Shopify. I mean, it's like middle balance. So you always have one thing or the other. So here are the pros and cons. Pros, you have a detailed Shopify admin, which I'm going to show you guys. You have free features. Shopify is on a cloud network, so there's a plan for everyone and has tons of apps. Now we have apps on Shopify. Now I feel like we have two types of developers on Shopify. We have those that build the with Shopify and those that create apps for Shopify. So as a dev now, you can create an app for Shopify and put it on Shopify store. That will help people that will help their store operator. I mean, I remember using an app sometime last month where the company I work for were trying to like, do a discount and we needed an app to help us our discount on all our products. So I just searched through the Shopify app and I saw a perfect app for that which was able to solve our issue. So another thing is no barrier to entry. Jesus Christ, I mean like why is it echo? So let me try to dig the call and join again. I don't know why echo. Give me a minute to do that. Okay, I do hope it's better now. So I don't have to again I said. So I'm just going to listen to more stuff. So as I was saying, very fine. Learn conclusion. YouTube there are lots of videos to watch on how to use Shopify. So there's a fun to there's always a downside. There's a learning curve If there are some things you have to learn, and some things you might want to, and you do not. But the good thing about it is that it's a community where you can ask questions. Someone knows from Shopify can respond, or someone who has some specific issue can also respond and tell you how he or she wants it. On that point, Shopify alone will guarantee the fact that your store is on Shopify does not exactly mean you're going to you're going to make money from it. Just there are a lot of things that come to you. Just like make sure your SEO is right. You have to do a lot of what's it called now? Marketing, linking your social media account or create a social media account for your store and letting them know that this is can have that. Another thing is what can you sell on Shopify? You can sell a whole bunch of things on Shopify. I brought out the list. On Shopify, there's always new trending products you can sell on platform, sell on things like fashion to beauty to blah blah blah. But then Shopify has some rules. There are some things you cannot sell by doing advertising. Basically, you can sell your clothes, jewelry, products, shoes, bags, anything. The basic things that you can order from the website. So now, okay, before we start salary, sorry, let's go down. So Shopify pricing, I checked out their pricing list and where is it? So the basic plan is $29. We have Shopify, which is $29 per month. We have $2.99 per month to for the advanced one. So depends on what you're working on or who you're working with or how many you're working with. So before I continue, so now we're going to practice salaries. But the issue with Shopify now is I'm going to do two things. I'm going to show you my current project on Shopify. So I already have one live project. Sorry. Okay. So I have one project live, the Shopify is paid and I cannot come and die of Saka. So I seek the acknowledgement of my current company to showcase their website and how we can make the website. If you look at this screen, so let me just reload it. I currently work with this fashion store. Here is your Shopify website. I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough. And we have this chat with us screen that Mr. Pego taught us, a chatbot section, and they will use Power Platform. When you talk about it, like, oh wow, I have to see this. Let me just do this one. So, okay, so here is like the store, and I'm an admin on the store. So if you go to shop.file, there are a lot of things. Okay. So the other thing you can order on the store, I mean from drinks and groceries to a lot of other things. So now I just want to show you how to work with it. Let's say I'm ordering this dress right now. I'm going to add it to my cart. And if I do that, okay, I can add it to my cart again now. So like that now, we have it's basically the same way normal website works. You have your checkout. Apparently, this store is in the US, so you can only pay with Shopify to PayPal or if I fill in all of these, blah blah blah, I have a discount to time. So I boom. That's it. So basically, this is what our users see, right? A user just sees this. A user doesn't know what they're doing. But now let's go to what happened in the background. We're going to do a quick practical on what to do. I need to use my other Google account to create a new Shopify. So my current Shopify account on this email is expired. There will be something in the future, and I don't have $29 right now. So let's log into the back-end aspect of Shopify, where most people don't get to see. So here is my store. I have one in active store. This is like my demo store when I'm trying to practice. And this is like my active store at the moment. So I'm just going to log in. Okay, let me just. Yeah. Okay. Um, okay. So let's do the next login. Okay, now. Mm, let's see. So it means to register to login. Okay. So now here's like the backend aspect of the Shopify store. So I'm just going to I might not be able to explain everything. I'm going to explain a few things because this is like some things most people are not going to see. So I mentioned that we have apps on Shopify, right? So if I'm going to if I come to this section, I'm going to take it okay, start from product. So I can I can see my product. This is where I add my product. Most ones are active, ones are not active, blah blah blah. So it's basically what Shopify does. It makes your work easier, so you don't have to like go through everything one after the other. Imagine if you're coding this. If you're a developer, you know how to build stuff. You know that the same way you build a what's it called now, a website, an e-commerce store from scratch, it is different. So we have our store where we can have our products. You can see our customer list. Customers that patronize stores. You can send them mails, blah blah blah. Then we can see an analytics of how what the store is doing over the last I think just over the last 1 month. But I had to like clear all these things so you don't see what's going on now. It's not for your eyes. So yeah, we can do marketing also. So Shopify makes it easier for you to do your marketing. I can create a campaign, do email campaigns to our customers, our social media accounts. Then we can also create discounts. Then we have our app. So now this is like now currently I have about 21 apps. Yeah, that's fine. I have about 21 apps running on this Shopify account. All these apps help my website that you've seen before run very well. So I can add more apps. Let me show you. Let's go to Shopify App Store, and you can get more apps depending on your age. What do you now? I can be a developer and create a Shopify app and add it to Shopify store. So people can raise it. I can raise the app. I can do a lot of things. I can make money from myself. Some apps are paid for, some apps are free. So look at this cheap portion. I don't know what it does yet. Now it ranges from $99.9 per month. That's after the 30-day free trial. So you have a free trial, but if you feel like the app works for you, you can continue using it. So there are a lot of apps in the Shopify App Store. Then we have our social media channels linked to it. So we have our so that's basically a lot of things on Shopify. So I remember saying that you can code on Shopify. So I will do this. Let me show you how to so now most of the time you use themes on Shopify. There are a lot of things that applications. So you can edit those themes and you can build your own custom theme. But building your own custom theme definitely needs to be that. This theme was the same thing which I just have to customize. So if I want to customize my store now, I want to change something. This is currently my live view, and I can try to change something, add some steps, or how the text. This currently rolling text. I can try to change what you're seeing on it. I can do a lot of things. I can add image. I can add image to a lot of things. I can make it better bit by bit. This is just me doing like something like making a big changes. I don't even know how what's the word now? How can that work? So you can sort of drag and drop. It's not exactly drag and drop, but I don't know if you guys are know. So I can make changes here. So now I'm trying to make a change that it's not I can't make some way. I can try to come to my food. I can reduce my food. Do this and reduce my food. Okay. We have something called liquid HTML. So I mentioned it before. So this is like the code section of my liquid HTML. So I think I can do it for editing something. And that is the status section. So I don't need for the status. I think this is more JavaScript. Liquid landing. And this is taking the liquid. So, new okay, yeah, so this is like my start screen and what I remember telling someone, okay, someone was asking me that if you don't code in Shopify, I was like, you don't code that, like, show you something. Actually, it's for you to use Shopify well, for you to an expert in Shopify, you need to have some basic knowledge of what you do now. At least, you don't get confused with it. That's that about that. So, sorry, please give me a name. Please give me a name, please.
Yeah, hello? Hello, can you guys hear me? Hello?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay,
Yeah, I
I
can hear
think
you.
maybe his network is the one uh having issues.
Right.
Hello, Daniel.
I'm so sorry about that.
Okay, okay.
So, as I was saying, okay, so I was saying, so basically that's how Shopify store works. So, I think I'm going to have a run now to create a demo store so that we can see and be able to see that my order the account so I can do that. So, create a store. So, can everybody see my screen?
Yeah, we can see your screen.
Yes, I can.
Alright, okay. Now, I created this new Shopify account to new email so that I can still have that person which normally when you do this, you sit down with your Gmail, now can start to create this. Okay, there's choose store name, maybe OSCA Ado. No, just OSCA Ado. Which one
Maybe you should use OSCA Ekiti.
Yeah, so that we can start selling merch on our Shopify store.
That'd be nice. If you should come and so I can do stuff for you.
No, Alan, now you will do it open source.
So creating your store, the store I'm created, so after you put it in a Shopify website, you don't have a domain name after, you have a domain name, I don't have a domain name to it for them. Not a domain name to it. Are you ready for me? I'm not going to like this, I don't have to. Let's choose and just going we should start platforms and which one is going to see where is the Instagram, Google, Facebook, and other channels there. So, but what's your current revenue? Not our current revenue. Let's do this. What are we selling? Let's see. Okay, please. Okay. This is the next. our address, I'm not going to blah blah blah. Maybe to just okay. So we are just entering our free trial, nothing so serious. Basically, no, kind of optional, so we can sorry, how many minutes do I have left?
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm coming. Okay, you still have
Can you hear me?
hello, yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. How
Yeah,
many
I
minutes do I
think
have
you
left?
still have something of 20 18 to 20 minutes left.
Okay. Perfect. No problem. So, you already gave us a prompt that our trial just started, so we're going to customize the theme, right? So let's see. Let's just I will tell you now. I do believe we have okay. So we have okay, thank you, bro. Normally, what is telling us now? Now, our first detector, nobody can tell us, correct? So, it's protected by a password. So, everybody that's going to access the store needs the password. So, we're going to disable it as a ticket. So, we have a current thing here that we can customize. So, let's check that. Let's see how we can customize this. Okay, so give us a start. This is that's nice. So,
Yeah, that's our stuff.
I don't have that name, so I'm just going to look for it. Okay. I'm just going to see what I can see. So, let's select an image. Okay, we have to do with government. So, let's see if we can manufacture. Let's see, do they have CD? It's perfect. Yeah. We have it. So, let's see how we can bring it down. No, it's just like this. Okay. Shows like this. Okay. Actually, we should be able to this today. Please you can't find that. This is a image banner. Then, so you can select it, you can use the connect image. You should have been so this is perfect. Okay, nice. I have two. So the next many text here. They're looking to add this. They don't want to you. They don't really follow you.
Yeah, I'm following, but how did you do that you divide it into two? That I'm kind of lost at that point.
Okay. Now, if you look at this, we have a first image that we have a second image. So all I did was to add the second image. Now, if I do this second image, I use second image to go back to
Okay.
so it depends on template you're using. So using depends on if you're using like 10,000.
Okay. All right, thank you. We can't hear you.
Yeah, sorry, we can't hear you, Daniel. Hello, Daniel. Hello. Hello, Danny. Can you hear us? Hello. Okay, so sorry guys, since we lost Daniel due to his network, he will be back soon. So sorry. So I think why everybody is here, can we just maybe introduce ourselves, what we do, and So my name is Abdul Malik. Let me go first. So my name is Abdul Malik. I happen to be the chapter lead for Open Source Community Africa Ado-Ekiti, and I'm an open sourcer. Yeah, because I contribute to open source, and also I'm a security guy, an application security guy. So you can also go. Hello, can anybody hear me? Hello. Um,
Yeah, I can hear you, Malik.
Okay. Okay. So I was uh, talking about we introducing ourselves. So I went first, and you know, I was hoping that everybody too can also follow suit and introduce themselves, what they do, and maybe network.
Okay, my name is Femi. Um, I'm actually into front end development. So
Okay.
I'll be trying out more of the no code and low code for to see how far it will go. So that's all about me.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. Anybody? And actually, no code slash low code is very awesome.
And the thing is, it is just new in town, but people are really adopting it fast. That's the thing. But there is usually this bias about the normal conventional decoding of the HTML, CSS, and the framework stuff. Some people they tend to like write off the no code and low code, like it's not really like the standard way of of creating stuff.
Yeah. 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 And to be honest, low code is like this little stress, awesome solution.
But the thing is, will like these companies now, or maybe clients, will they accept jobs on low code and no code when they like ask you to do things for them, and you like push it to them that you are going to be using a low code or no code platform to do the job.
Yeah. Yeah. And imagine.
I think they need to be aware beforehand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, what's that?
I said like you
Okay.
said something like I said
The
I think they need
clients.
to be aware beforehand before you just go and give them low code, because some of them I say they want the full code stuff. So I think they need to be aware so that you won't have issues with them
Yeah.
at
Yeah.
all.
Yeah. That's true. Also, that's true. Also. But most of the
But
time, who
but
who loves stress? Imagine your
yeah, that's the
company
thing.
looking for a chatbot for their platforms, and then uh, writing the code might take maybe a day or 2 days, while spinning up a no code chatbot will just take maybe an hour or 2 hours. So company actually, I don't think they are actually looking for the development and like the heavy development. They just want to get things done. So no code slash low code, if it will work for it, if the solution will work perfectly for the problem, I think is a go ahead for any organization, except if they are always keen to having their own customed internal tools only.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so yeah, we have Daniel
Hi.
back.
So sorry. I'm trying to put my laptop to connect. I don't know what happened. So sorry. Just give me a minute, please. I have to join my phone, so I don't feel like I ghosted you. So give me a minute to just join. So sorry. Alright, so I should be back right now.
Okay, so I'm back on my laptop. So give me a minute, please. So where did you stop hearing me from, please? So I can just
Yeah,
continue.
you were actually dragging and dropping in the process of piling up the template for the Shopify page.
Okay. Alright, I'm just going to continue now. So sorry for that. Okay. Alright, so I think we talked about adding these images. So I made this saying welcome to our header saying welcome to OSCA Ado-Ekiti, come and buy merch. And I was going to say, okay, let's add more products so we can make it more make our website more what's it called now? More nice. So I'm just going to do this OSCA Ado. So where is this? Which one am I about? Oh, sorry, I was editing the wrong thing. Okay, the heading OSCA Ado. So yeah, so featured collection. So if I now come to the collection, I can see change. Okay, this is our collection, right? So now, if you want to add our collection, you might need to go and add it from the main dashboard now. So if you are going to do that, we're going to exit this for a while. Oh, sorry, we didn't save. So you have to like save your project so that it doesn't just disappear. So if you save this now, we have to go back to our sorry. Now, so our products, right? We need to add products. So let's products that we're adding. Ah, Jesus, we need images, but let's say OSCA Ado. We have a description. Okay, a very nice Ado. Then an image. So we can add from URL actually. So that's like the best thing. That's like the that's another way to, but most of the time the best way to add your images is adding locally. I have a drive folder for all our products from my company to add them locally. So but we're going to just look for an image somewhere here. So let's just do this PD. Sure. Let's see. So I'm just going to add this one. I like the black. Sorry, I like black a lot, so I'm just going to pick this black. And I'm going to copy link. So I'm just going to come here and paste it. So when I add the file, the image is going to come up. Wait, our image did not come up. Let's delete it. Hold on, let's delete this file. That's what I'm from on that image. Why is it not showing actually? That's weird. Yeah, no keep right image. So I'm actually going to be wrapping up soon, but basically this is just how to like set up your what's it called now? Your Shopify e-commerce store. It really works now. It's still not working. let's into this one. Let's try to get it from. Let's see on that one. Okay, it's not going to work, but let me add from my local. I don't know if I have. Why did I download it? Sorry, I just downloaded it. Let's just save this. JPG. So just Instagram. So I'm just going to add it from our local file. So let me do this one again. I'm going to add this file. So it should work now. Okay, yeah. Already works. So we can give the price. Oh, this is nice. It's writing Naira. Maybe because you found out that we're in Nigeria, sure. Because my other company, I have to use VPN most of the time. So, let's say 5,000. We location blah blah blah. Normally our product should be 1.0. Then country of sale, where it is sold. So now we have another good thing about Shopify, which is like going to be my last thing, is that we have SEO preview. So it makes you see how it's going to show on your Google. So it makes it easier for you to know what's my SEO ranking? What do I need to improve on my SEO ranking? So if we just save this product right now. So our product has been created. So if I now want to add this, go back to our online store. So let's continue personalizing our online store. It should be able to pop up soon. Oh, we not added it to the collection. So let's now add it to the collection. Sorry. Okay, it's in draft, it's not live, sorry. I have to make it live. How do we make it live? Oh, we've not added sales channel, but then it's just supposed to go live. So draft active. Once I make it active and I save it, it becomes active instead of draft. So if I come back to our online store, it should show on our online store. Let's see. So where is it? Our hoodie. But it didn't come up under. Well, it did come up. Okay, yeah. So it came under our OSCA Ado collection, right? Because it's under our futures collection. So I think basically that's how you create your Shopify store, and all you need to do is just edit most of the templates, edit the CSS if you need to. If you want to edit the CSS of this page, you need to just come here, edit code, then you basically go through your code to edit it. So depending on what issue you need to edit, you might not need to edit a whole lot of things. So any questions? I think this is where I'll round up. I think I've used a whole lot of time.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Mr. Daniel. At least we have gained one or two things, and anybody that came to this event or that will be watching the recorded session, you should be able to at least create a Shopify store and navigate around the drag and drop to set up the home page template, and set up the price of the items that will be listed in the swag catalog, and do some other awesome stuff with Shopify. So do anybody has a question here, you are free, like, sir, you can start asking your questions now. So yeah. Hello. Yeah, I think Mr. Oluwafemi is talking, but we can't hear him. Um, I can't like. Hello, can you guys hear me? Uh, yeah. So can you guys hear me now? Hello, can you guys hear me? Hello.
Somewhere you can buy your domain.
Okay.
Yes.
Sorry.
You can
So
buy your
sorry.
domain.
Sorry, guys. So you guys cannot hear me, right?
You can hear you.
Okay. 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 Can you guys hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So I'm sorry. Apps for Shopify. Your apps can be open source, but your website, your e-commerce store cannot be open source because Shopify has this cloud storage already. So the only person that can access your store is you. The only person that can access your store is you, and whoever has an admin, whoever is admin to your page. Right? Currently now, we have on this Shopify store, I am currently an admin, right? So that's why I have access to it. So I can give access to whoever I want to give access to now. That's where the users and permissions comes in. I think the only two of us that have access to it. So I'm a staff now. So here's the story now, right? I'm a staff, and I do have limited permission. So you can give someone your access, but the person that have limited permissions will have all permission depending on whatever you're doing. But your apps can be open source, but the e-commerce store itself cannot be open source. At least not yet. Does any other person
Yeah.
have
So
any other question?
I think they are open
Sorry,
source.
can you hear me?
Yeah. Okay. You are good to go.
Yeah.
You are good to go.
Alright, yeah. Like, to what extent can you add code to this Shopify store? To what extent? Can it be like, is it just small code you can add, or is there a limit? Let me just put it myself. Is there a limit to the code you can add to?
If you're using a template, yes, there's a limit. There's a limit if you're using a template. If you're not using a template, if you're building your, I'm 95% of the time you're using what's it called? A paid thing on free. So if you can, what you can do is develop your own code and add it to the Shopify store. And when you add it to the Shopify store, you know that you can edit it as you wish because it's paid for. But there's a limit to what you can edit using the Shopify code base, like using the Shopify edit section itself. I think mostly what you can edit is a few things. Like I was trying to, if you look at this, let me give an example. If I put this store on mobile view, there's something that pops up. Okay, now you see that there's a menu bar that comes. There's a menu bar here. The menu bar it only comes up when it's on mobile view, and when it comes to user experience, your menu bar should be at the top, right? But now, if I want to edit this, I am going to have to edit the code because this is how it is with the templates, right? But for me to edit that code, I need to find where we're editing that code. I was trying to do it sometime last week, and I haven't gotten it because I had to reach out to Shopify support, and they sent me where to add the code. Do you understand? So there's a limit to what you can edit, but you're going to make it flexible to your own taste, but there's a limit to what you can edit if you're using a template. But if you're using your own inbuilt templates, then you have access to it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so
if no, in the regards of no other question.
Sorry,
Sorry,
I have
please.
another question.
Yeah. Can we buy and upload things on Shopify?
What you say?
Can we buy and upload things on Shopify?
Yes, yeah, they are paid things and you can upload them now. That's why I said when it comes to apps and things, you can be paid to. Let's say you have a team now, you can make people pay for them to use that thing. That's why we have a theme store. We have explore free things and we have a theme store. When you visit the theme store, you see both options of free and free things. So I think you can earn money by being a developer, developing apps for Shopify and building apps.
I didn't think you get my question.
Okay,
This is
come again.
like I purchased a team on Wood Forest now, something like that. A team of my daughter. Can I upload it to my Shopify page?
No, you can't.
I can't, right?
Yes, you can't.
The only team I can use on Shopify is the one that comes with, right?
Yes, or the one on their theme store. Does that answer your question?
Yeah.
Alright, so my question is, how is the market for Shopify like in Nigeria or in places now? Do people really make use of Shopify now?
Okay. I don't know how to answer this question, but from my own perspective, I don't think Shopify is very, very much popular in Nigeria because it's paid, right? I think there are other no-code tools that allow you to create e-commerce stores without being paid. I think an example is Ecommerce. There's one, Wix. I think Wix is free to an extent. But Shopify is mostly like most of their integrations are made for people in the US. Like this current company I work for, so I need to look at this. They are based in the US, so most of their features is easier to integrate. I mean, when I was integrating the payment system now, it was easy to integrate Google Pay, PayPal, and right because it's what's accepted there. But now to integrate what we use in Nigeria might be a problem. I don't know. I've not used it before. I mean, it was this company that started using Shopify. So I am not so sure Shopify is very, very much better than Nigeria.
Okay, thank you.
Alright. So I think I'm done. So thank you for having me. You can always reach out to me on. You can always reach out to me if you have any questions. Okay, I just sent you a message. Is there a tutorial for this? There are a lot of tutorials on YouTube. Actually, I learned Shopify from YouTube actually. So there are a lot of tutorials on YouTube. So if you have questions, you can reach out to me on Twitter at I'm going to just type out my Twitter name right now. Or you reach out to me via mail at Daniel Umoren. So I'll do well to respond to whichever way you decide to reach out to me. I think I'll share on the screen now. So, Saint Malik, thank you very much for having me on here. I really appreciate it.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Daniel. We really appreciate your presence and for taking your time, for taking out your time to come here and you know teach us how to use Shopify to build our e-commerce stores. And I think with with what we have learned here and with what we have gained here, most of us can just move on and start building awesome e-commerce stores using Shopify. And also, is there a way maybe you can just drop a tips? Sorry, maybe you can just drop a tip on how, since you said Shopify is not very doesn't have a very huge market space or marketplace. Which one? Market space in Nigeria. So maybe as some like, let's take for example me as a person. I'm When I start learning how to use Shopify, after learning the whole process, I need to start hunting for clients and all that. So is there a possible is there a tip or an advice you can just put out for everyone here?
Okay. Sorry, it's raining. Let me try to move somewhere else so that
Okay.
the audio. So my tip is use LinkedIn. There are a lot of Shopify rules on LinkedIn, though they might ask for projects that you worked on. So if you have what you can do is reach out to tell them you know how to use Shopify. Let's say you have a project that you've worked on. You can just have a screen recording of whatever you've done. So and when you do that, you can always show them. Like I applied to the Shopify rule sometime last week, and they responded saying that they like my resume, that they want me to take a test. And by the time I checked out the test, they gave me a test rule to build a project and show them first. So with that now, I had this current the email I used for my Shopify for the demo project I had to create it yesterday so I can work on it because of the what's it called now, the payments that come with Shopify. But when you have the opportunity to do something, just do it, record it. I think there's a way you can export your Shopify project to GitHub. I'm not sure, but if it's possible, I would check and I would maybe get back to you so I can get back to the community. So if that's possible, then you can always export your projects. Let's say you do a couple of projects in 14 days before your free trial expires. You can export it to GitHub, and you can also showcase websites that you've made with, let's say, the normal web technologies, HTML, CSS, because they believe that for you to be a Shopify developer, you already have experience working with normal web technologies, because sometimes you can use PHP in Shopify and a whole lot of other things. So what I'll just say is leverage your LinkedIn, apply to jobs, and if you have the Shopify role you've worked on, then also freelance naturally, because this current company, it's a freelance contract I got. So if you use Upwork and Fiverr, you can also get freelance projects from there.
Okay,
So
yeah.
that's my tip.
Yeah, so thank you so much, Mr. Daniel. I think everybody that is on the call or everybody that will be watching the recorded session now understands that okay, when they are done learning. And in fact, you can even maybe try the 14 days Shopify no code with Shopify. Put out whatever you are learning, and good luck. So that will be the end for the no code session from OSCA Ado-Ekiti. So thank you so much, guys. Thanks for showing up, and thanks to Mr. Daniel. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's all. Bye, guys.
Check our tweet too.
Yeah. So sorry, there's something. Sorry, like, you guys should go on Twitter and add use the hashtag OSCA Ado-Ekiti, and also tag OSCA Ado-Ekiti, and share whatever you've learned from this session. There will be a swag prize attached to the highest tweet. Yeah, thank you.
Alright. Thanks. Bye.
Yeah.